How to create Instagram highlights. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. So today, let's get started. Open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom page, go onto your profile. Now at this page again, you will see story highlights. To add a new story highlights, tap on to new. All the stories that you have previously added from your Instagram account will be displayed here. Now remember, you can only highlight those stories that you have added. Choose your image or videos and tap on next. Now you can also name your highlight. For the sake of this video, I'm going to name this test. Also, you can edit its cover. And if you want to add a new cover to your highlights, then you can go ahead and click onto this image icon. Once done, tap on done. Now refresh your page and then you will see this test highlight right below your profile. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us.